Hi everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is the place where we learn how to bake and cook together every week. This week we're going to show you how to make pear tartlets. I have actually made this recipe with other fruits as well, apples and peaches and apricots. So you can use any fruit of your choice. They will still taste really good. There are pictures on my Instagram account, which is at Christina's Cuisine, and the video on YouTube will be on Rapid. But of course, I will take you through the process step by step. And if you do try to make some, I would love it to see it. So please tag me in your creations. And I want to thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget, if you like what you see here today, and you're not one of my subscribers yet, don't forget to subscribe and tap that little bell, because that way you get notifications every time I put a video up. Until next time, guys, take care of yourselves and don't forget, go break an egg. Alright, so you need your pastry cases. Mine are tiny and the bottom is loosened. And you can make your pastry. I normally make my own pastry, but this time I'm just going to use some short crust pastry. You need a bit of flour, of course, just to, and just roll your dough out. So, okay. It has to be quite thin, so you need to roll it for a bit. I'm gonna try and make it's an unusual pear tart because we're only going to use the sweetness of the pears and just a bit of brown sugar, and I'm going to add a bit of caramel and also some flaked almonds on top, just because I think almonds and pears go together quite well. And let's see if this will work. Right. Okay, so let's take it out. Hop. How is this now? Yeah, see? This is perfect. See? Now you can actually do your edges as well, like that. See? Perfect. Look, perfect. It's gonna look really cute. Of course, prick the bottom a bit. Alright, so I finished. I got this oil left over, so I might just make a few cinnamon rolls or something. Anyway, I fill up the cases with the pears. I've used 4 pears here, and they're quite ripe, so I cut them really finely. And now, of course, you need to sprinkle some brown sugar on top. I think it would be better if I use my hands, to be honest. Yeah, because all of that is going to give it that caramel touch. So sprinkle your brown sugar, and I'm also going to sprinkle some flaked almonds on mine. Just because I like to go rogue when I bake. I like to incorporate new things and try new things, so why not? Okay, so try and spread out your sugar. This will need about, because we haven't blind baked the crust, which I normally tend to do in a pie, but because this is a tart, it's a bit different. So because we haven't baked it blind, I'm going to bake it for about 30 minutes at about 160, because I got some stuff left over. So I'm just going to sprinkle some brown sugar, yeah, and cinnamon. I'm gonna roll it all together, and we're gonna make some nice cinnamon rolls. Maybe a bit more brown sugar here. There we go. Right, and just roll it up. You have to start from one end, like really squeezing through. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Hop, hop, hop. There we go. See, I'm gonna have this tiny little cinnamon rolls. Hop. See? So lock up your ends so that the flavor stays in. Okay. This one as well. Like that. And now we're going to cut them up and have a few cinnamon rolls as well. Why not? So we're gonna have one. It's gonna look like that. Two. It's gonna look like this. Three. Here we go. So I'm going to put this underneath with my pear tarts, and they're going to bake together. I'll see you guys when I take them out.